Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you the best Toca Boca codes in 2026. This is going to allow you to unlock everything in Toca Life World or Toca Boca World, whatever you want to call it. It is going to unlock everything. So this is going to get you all packs, all furniture. You can even get all places, I believe it is as well, guys. I don't actually play this game. I just saw some awesome codes that I know you guys are going to love, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. But anyway, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because yeah, like I said, I have been searching for these codes for a long time, so I'd really appreciate it. But let's get into the video and show you how to get these working Toca Boca codes in 2026. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile internet browser. You can see I'm using an iPhone here. What you're going to want to do is just head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead, type it like this. You can pause the video and copy the address there, guys. But Crash Coupons, if you haven't seen them before, you're definitely going to want to keep checking these guys out, because they have so many different codes. They don't only have Toca Boca codes, they have like Avatar World and other games as well. So I'm just going to use the search bar to speed up the process of finding the Toca Boca codes page. So use the search bar, search for Toca Boca or Toca Life World, and this is going to pop up here. As I mentioned, there are different codes available. So what you're going to want to do is see what's available and scroll down. You can unlock all packs. So you can get all packs for free in Toca Life World. You can get all furniture. You can unlock all places, and you can even unlock all houses as well. So this is definitely the easiest and fastest method to unlock everything in Toca Life World. So I'm just going to select the places one. I've already done this, so I won't do it again, guys. I'll just show you an example of what you're going to want to do. But yeah, these are limited codes, but there are a bunch of them. These are like secret codes, guys, for Toca Boca. So these are absolutely awesome. And like I said, these are working in 2026. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your code. You can see the secret code is hidden, and these are limited. So these are one-time use codes, guys. So once you get your code, use it for yourself, and then it's going to be expired once you redeem it. So click on Get Full Code to get your Toca Boca code. Really easy. It takes about 5 minutes to do this. You just got to follow the instructions, and it's going to unlock your code. So you need to complete 2 of the free offers, and these are basically mobile apps and surveys and stuff. They're all completely free, as you can see. They take about 5 minutes each, but it is well worth it considering what you're getting. So yeah, just follow the instructions. You can see there is instructions that tells you how to complete each task. It is really easy. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to complete this. Like I said, I've already done it. And then once you complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your Toca Boca code will be fully revealed here, so that it will be unlocked. And the 4-digit code you can redeem in game. This one's going to unlock all places, but you can get packs, houses, and furniture as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. These are the best Toca Boca codes in 2026. Head on over to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Make sure you do hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace.